can homeowners challenge the violations?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
absolutely.
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
How do they do
They
that?
can do it at the, remember I said a minute ago that they get to appear in front of the board at first, so they can challenge it at that board meeting. They can challenge it at that fining committee meeting. They get a couple of shots to actually challenge it.
They get invited to those?
Yeah. So they'll get a if I recall correctly, it's 14-day notice for that hearing. They'll get a 14-day notice, and that notice will. I can speak at least for our procedures. It's okay. This is a violation. This is the date that you need to be here. Typically, our protocol is a day or 2 days before the hearing, take a picture, because imagine it to be like a small court case. You're not there. Some residents will have an attorney representative, but in most cases, that's not the case. We try to at least train our committees and our boards to, look, let's just hear them out. Because ultimately what you want is correction. Well, what value are you going to get of fining them $200? Look, can you get it done in the next, you have to be consistent though. Can you get it done in the next 30 days? I'll get it done in the next 30 days. Okay, done. The move over, we don't need to fine them. But you do have the situation where you have to fine them. But yes, you do have an opportunity as a resident to have that one-on-one discussion with the committee. But I would recommend is go there with facts. So if you're having a common one, let's say, is painting of the home, right? You don't know if someone's been laid off. You don't know the financial situation of that family. So maybe that individual comes and says, look, I just got laid off. You know, unfortunately, here's the pink slip, even though no one does pink slips anymore, but I just aged myself. But, you know, just here, these are the facts. This is what I have. And the board can be reasonable and say, you know what? We'll give you 45 days to be able to do it. And that's reasonable. Ultimately, again, I always say these are your neighbors. But you have to be consistent.
Be kind.
Yeah. You have to be consistent with what you do, because just because you don't like Anna, your next door neighbor, you can't say, Anna, you have a week to paint it. If you gave other people
You
30
can't
days,
do that?
you have to give Anna the same amount of time. So you do have to keep that in mind.
Anna can claim what's called selective
Selective
enforcement if they
yep.
did that to her, and Anna
Good
would
point.
win.
Yeah.
Yeah, Anna would win in that situation. And that's common. A lot of times we have to tell somebody, what are you doing? You can't go after them because you didn't go after them.
Yeah.
So it's pretty common.